Good morning and welcome aboard Double Shot. I'm Mike Porter with East Coast Yacht Sales, and I'm very excited to take you through this unique and pristine Stanley 38. Double Shot is a 2003 Stanley 38 built up at John Williams Boat Company in Downeast, Maine. This particular boat has been extraordinarily well maintained and heavily upgraded over her ownership. In fact, she was just repowered with a brand new 2025 Yanmar 400 horse diesel. The boat is quieter, more fuel efficient, and faster than she ever was. We now top out at 20 knots and cruising speed 16, 17 knots. And on top of that, you've got excellent long-term reliability with a brand new motor with full warranty for your new ownership. So not something you see in a lot of the Downeast boats out there on the market. All right, here we are in beautiful Newport, Rhode Island, taking a look at the stunning Double Shot. Double Shot is a Stanley 38 built at John Williams Boat Company up Downeast, Maine. Huge fan of these classic Downeast boats. Lovely swim platform here with the fold down stainless steel ladder. And I'm a big fan of the gray hull color. This is actually vinyl wrap on the hull. One thing I really like to see on a classic New England boat is these side windows that you can roll up or down. So on a nice day like today, you want the boat open, you're entertaining, and when the weather turns, you're gonna want to drop those down and enclose the pilot house here. So weather turns quite quickly here in New England. It'd be nice to close this all up, but on a day like today, it's great to have everything open. My favorite feature on the entire boat is the outdoor shower. You always see the handheld wands that come out of the transom. This is just epic and the way to go. Beautiful big open cockpit here. The Kingsley Bates varnished chairs. We've got our propane locker back there. The 3 deck hatches give us some extra storage and access to the running gear. These steps here on the starboard side can be moved either side, so if you're docked on one side or the other, you still can get on and off the boat easily from the floating dock. We've got storage underneath both gunnels here, and coming into the pilot house, it's just amazing. I love the galley up with the full stainless steel commercial countertop. We've got a double basin sink here, plenty of storage down below with our trash access and the paper towel holder, custom drink storage here, and the knives up above. Bit forward, we've got a 3-burner Princess propane cooktop and the modern drawer fridge freezer here. We've got bowls and cups in here, so I've got a few of my things in here, but nice bowls and cups and silverware in there. This is a nice spot for a coffee station. It's all set up nicely there. That's what the current owner is doing. And then this, I love this little bench here, and it converts to a berth. So obviously you would roll the pilot house curtains down and can easily sleep an adult up here and pull out those aft cushions. But this is a comfortable spot to be underway reading a book or at anchor. And then our helm here, we've got this little helm door that opens, which makes it great to dock single-handed or access the foredeck easily. Beautiful Garmin touchscreen electronics here with our brand new Yanmar controls. You can see here, it's probably flashing on your display here, but we've got 2 hours on the motor, bow thruster, electric start, everything modernized there. Trim tabs of our windshield wipers and lights and inverter control on the side. Up top we've got your VHF radio, the new Garmin depth sounder, Simrad autopilot, and this is an old B&G display up there as well that this Garmin sort of took the place of. Nicely laid out helm. We've got the 12-volt fan here. These 3 windows, pilot house windows, open to let in the fresh air as well. You can open these 2 side windows, and this is just an amazing platform here. So you can see just how awesome it would be to have all your friends on the mooring in Mackerel Cove here in Newport. And heading down below, we'll start our way forward and make our way aft. All the way forward is our anchor locker access there, 2 reading lights, nice beautiful walk around queen berth, island queen berth with open storage and drawers, 12-volt fan. You've got 2 portholes here and the overhead port light. Look at this woodwork and joinery. This is just, the boat is stunning with the different types of wood, and it all comes together perfectly. This locker is where you see the air conditioning. The air conditioning is shoreside only, so when you're plugged into dock power, there's not a generator on board the boat. And then the current owners did this sweet setup, kind of like a sailboat with quarter berths. We've got sort of kids bunks here. I mean, they're certainly not just kids only, they're plenty long enough for an adult. So with the 2 in the forward berth, 2 kids back here, and a 3rd kid up in the pilot house, this is sort of the ultimate family cruising boat. Off to starboard here, we have our modern Blue Sea Systems breaker panel, and then the head just forward of that. Saltwater manual toilet, the basin sink, and this is a shower stall too. You've got your shower curtain up here, and the sink comes out, faucet comes out to take a shower. Not where I would be showering. I would be in the aft cockpit on this boat showering all day long. I love that. I will take a look in these deck lockers here before we go forward. But we've got batteries, fuel tank, a little systems access there. And same thing on this side, another fuel tank, and the batteries up forward there. I'll open this day hatch here to show you the top of the motor. So there's our new Yanmar right there, brand new, full warranty. The warranty would start with new ownership. There's a ton of sound deadening in this boat. You can see we've got it double thick here with the sound down. This has the lead barrier in between as well as the foam, eggshell foam. So ton of it inside. The boat is quite quiet, especially with the new modern common rail diesel. So that Yanmar, I showed you the hour gauge, it's got 2 hours. The warranty will start upon new ownership, and you'll get full warranty on that motor. We gained about a knot of speed, maybe 2 knots. It's much quieter and more fuel efficient with the common rail than the older mechanical diesel that was in here before. It's a 400 horse. The old motor was a 370, so we gained some speed and some power. Coming up here on deck, go all the way forward. Nice new Yanmar stainless steel windlass. I love this bow seat here, so you can actually do some relatively safe bow riding up here with your legs in between, and there's really no way to fall out. Really cool place to sit at anchor at the very least. And the enclosed array Garmin radar, our dual trumpet horns, manual searchlight, the life raft, of course the mast up there, and our VHF antenna. I can just picture being at anchor and jumping off, having kids jump off the top of the boat here, jumping into the water at the anchorage. Be such a sweet spot. All this non-skid is newer. Thank you all for tagging along on this walkthrough tour of Double Shot. If you have any questions about this amazing Stanley 38, please feel free to reach out to me directly. My contact information is right below the video. Thanks for watching.